Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. In Python, the for loop is a powerful construct used to iterate over a sequence, such as a list, tuple, string, or range, and perform operations on each element. One key aspect of a for loop is the loop limit, which defines how many times the loop will execute. Understanding how to set and manipulate the loop limit is essential for effective programming. In this tutorial, we will explore various ways to control the loop limit in a for loop with code examples. The basic syntax of a for loop in Python is as follows. Here, variable is a placeholder that takes on the value of each element in the sequence during each iteration of the loop. One common way to set the loop limit is by using the range function. The range function generates a sequence of numbers, and you can use it to specify the start, end, and step values. The loop will iterate over the sequence. Output. In this example, the loop iterates 5 times, 0 to 4, because range 5 generates a sequence starting from 0 up to, but not including, 5. Output. Here, the loop iterates over the sequence generated by range 2, 9, 2, which starts at 2, ends at 8, exclusive, and increments by 2 in each step. You can also set the loop limit by iterating over elements in a list or any other iterable object. Output. In this case, the loop iterates over each element in the names list, setting the loop limit to the length of the list. If you need both the index and the value of elements during the loop iteration, you can use the enumerate function. Output. Here, the loop iterates over the fruits list, and enumerate provides both the index and the corresponding value for each iteration. Understanding how to set and manipulate the loop limit in a for loop is crucial for writing efficient and effective Python code. Whether using the range function, iterating over lists, or utilizing enumerate, controlling the loop limit allows you to tailor your loops to the specific needs of your program. Practice and experiment with different scenarios to enhance your proficiency with Python for loops. ChatGPT. Title: Understanding Python for Loop Limits, a comprehensive tutorial. The for loop is a fundamental control flow structure in Python, allowing you to iterate over a sequence of elements. In this tutorial, we will explore the concept of loop limits in Python for loops, discussing how they work and providing code examples to illustrate their usage. The basic syntax of a for loop in Python is as follows. The loop limit in a for loop is determined by the length of the iterable. The loop continues until all elements in the iterable have been processed. In this example, the loop iterates 3 times, the length of the list fruits, printing each fruit on a new line. You can also use the range function to generate a sequence of numbers to define the loop limit. This loop iterates 5 times, printing the values 0 through 4. You can customize the loop limit using the break statement to exit the loop prematurely or by manipulating the iterable. In this example, the loop will break when it encounters a number greater than 5. Here, by using slicing, numbers 5, the loop is limited to the first 5 elements of the list. Understanding and controlling loop limits is crucial for effective iteration in Python for loops. Whether you are working with lists, ranges, or other iterables, manipulating loop limits allows you to tailor your code to specific requirements. Experiment with different examples to gain a solid understanding of how loop limits operate in Python. ChatGPT.